My name's Ed Liu. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Providence Medical Technology. We are a small medical device company here in Pleasanton, California, and our mission is to solve surgical reinterventions for all spine surgery. We focus on high-risk patients. So at Evolve, we manufacture a line of instruments. They're unique in that they're single use and they're disposable, as opposed to traditional spine instruments, which are carried into the operating room, sterilized at the hospital, and reused time and time again. This allows us to use sharper, cleaner instruments that lower the risk of infection, as well as the spine implants themselves. When we were looking for a partner, we surveyed a number of contract manufacturers all over the West Coast, really. Evolve served what we were looking for in terms of size and ability. Evolve has probably three things that help it stand out against its competitors. One is its size. The second is the location, which does make it easier for us to innovate, come down and meet with the team. And then third is the culture, really fits with the way we do work. We have members here 3 days a week, and I come down here probably once a quarter, and I meet with Noreen maybe once or twice a quarter. It's very much an extension of Providence. We've been around for 10 years, but we continue to try to leverage our advantages over some of the larger players, and those typically include being able to respond to physicians, customer needs, and rapid product development. Those are much more conducive when we can sit down in a meeting room together, send down our manufacturing engineers, and work hand in hand with Evolve's team. This month, we're launching a product as an accessory or a line extension. From when the drawings came over to when we expect to build it will be in the 6 to 8 week range. It's very important for our manufacturing and our company to show our customers that we're listening to them, that we're able to respond to market needs and changes in the market requirements. So being able to make those adjustments with a partner like Evolve very quickly is very important. And frankly, I consider them very good friends. Matt and Hassan and the team, I think very highly of them. I would work for any of them, and I would hire any of them. The partnership and the trust that we have with Evolve is critically important because their products represent our brand and our company. We view them as a partner in the business and not just a contract manufacturer. One of the biggest shared values that I think, at least personally, Noreen and I have is one of transparency. Truth is relative, but transparency is absolute. And if we can be transparent with each other, we can work through any issues we have. I know that if I have a problem today or in a week, that we could come in and sit down in the conference room and meet face to face, be transparent, and work through that. There's plenty of written standards, but there's also kind of unspoken standards in medical device manufacturing. And a lot of those are very helpful because we don't spend time bringing another manufacturer up to speed. Their experience in medical device manufacturing is highly relevant for us. Some of the financial flexibility, understanding our specific needs, working directly and having Hassan, who's our project manager, and Matt's cell phones is just like a little example of how customer focused they are. I know that if there's ever a problem, I can call them directly. They know exactly which part I'm talking about. That's a very personal level of service that makes me really feel like they're not just a partner, but an extension of the company.